Formatting addresses in Excel can be tricky, but with Copilot, you can tackle this task fast. In this example, we have 10 addresses we want to standardize for mailing. First, highlight the address cells. Switch from the Work tab to the Web tab. Now, politely ask, can you format these addresses according to USPS standards? Copilot will search the web for the correct structure and generate a neatly formatted list for you to review. But remember, Copilot Chat only makes suggestions. Your workbook stays unchanged. Check the addresses it provides, compare them with your original list, and carefully confirm each result. Next, let's choose Copilot's suggestion to put this back into Excel as a new formatted column. This will generate a new Excel workbook for your careful review. Now you can easily spot any missing data, and Copilot can even help fill in the blanks if you supply the prompt. With Copilot and your confirmation, clean, professional addresses are just a few steps away.